It's syrup day, and you know, I have been asked a number of times to make a grape syrup. Look at these puppies. Loving them. Just washed them, so they're ready. Ooh, there's one there. It's a blue grape. Kind of like a Concord grape, really. Perfect for what we're going to be making. And you know, I have a lot of requests, and I had this massive page of the to-do list, right? And I will get to your request eventually. Just saying, it takes a lot of time. Okay, we're going to stem all these, get rid of that. Just, yeah, it's gonna take a few minutes. Probably a clock wipe is in order. I'm looking for about 500 grams here. Oh, there it is. I'm right on the money. 500 grams. Yeah, in the pot it goes. Yeah. And to the grapes, we're going to add a 1/4 cup or 85 grams of honey. Yeah. I thought about sugar, and you know, sugar will work, but I don't know. I think honey's gonna just play better with the grapes than white sugar. Okay, that's good. Looking good. I'm also going to add the rind from 1 lemon. And I'm going to press 1 ounce of lemon juice. That looks about right. In the pot it goes. Need some fire. And we don't really want an intense heat here. We just want, that looks great. We just want kind of a low to medium heat. You don't want to boil it. I don't think we want to boil it. And we want to give this about 5 minutes. In the meantime, I'm going to put together my food mill here. Which you don't, clock wipe. We're going to add some almond extract. This is a pure almond extract. I'm thinking about a teaspoon. Yeah. Give it a stir. Ooh, yeah. Grapes and almonds. Nice pairing, for sure. Oh yeah, that smells really good. And what you want to do is you just want to get these grapes down to a point where, you know, they're soft. As it's cooking, slowly cooking, I'm going to attempt to remove the lemon rinds. Yeah. You know what? I think we're in. I really do. So what we're going to do is turn our stove off and set up our food mill here. Oh, geez. I'm thinking maybe I'm going to go with coarse to begin with. The reason I'm using a food mill is because what I want to do is separate the skins and the seeds from the juice, right? If you don't have a food mill, I guess you could use a potato masher and then run it through a fine sieve afterwards, but I think we're ready. We're just going to dump this into our food mill. Ooh, yeah, look at the juice coming out. Beauty. I love this thing. I don't use it as often as I should, but it works, totally works.
Except for mac and cheese.
Except for mac and cheese. It's pretty thick. Well, they did say it was cheesier. Ow, cheesier. I don't think this food mill was designed for craft dinner. It's even making a weird noise. Never heard this noise before. Oh. That's right. Oh my God. Yeah, look at that. All the skins are left behind, and we're just left with this marvelous, marvelous juice. Should have probably made a bigger batch. That's what I'm thinking. Yeah. Okay, that's good. We're good. So now that I've strained it, I'm gonna fine strain it, just in case there's any of those seeds and any pulp that got through, back into our pot. Wow. Grapey. It smells like grape juice, man. Awesome. Yeah, we're getting quite a bit of pulp out of this. I think that's pretty good, actually. And we're going to put her back on the stove here. Yeah. To a low, medium heat. Again, try not to get it to a boil. Just a nice low heat. And what we're trying to do here is maybe reduce it a little bit to make it more of a syrup. Concentrate those flavors. Don't know what happened to my wooden spoon. Ah, well. And this should take maybe another 5 minutes or so. I'll see you in 5 minutes. Okay, I think we're done. Just going to take it off the stove here. It's gotten a little thicker, that's for sure. But it's hot, so it's going to get thicker once it cools down. And while this is cooling down, I've got this wonderful chocolate mint that I'm gonna just break off, just a small piece, because grapes and chocolate, I think, definitely go together. And if you don't have chocolate mint, you could use just a small little sprig of regular mint. Oh yeah, this is gonna, oh, now I'm smelling grapes and chocolate. Yeah. Awesome. Ecstasy. Okay, we're going to let this cool, and we'll see you in a bit. Well, it's cooled down quite a bit here, and I'm just going to taste it just to see where we're at here. Oh, that's grapes. I'm getting just a hint of the chocolate mint, and perked it up quite a bit. Oh, there it is. That's nice. That's nice. The almond extract, it's there, but it's really, really faint. And the lemon, yeah, the lemon gives it a little bit of zest, a little bit of zip to it. Okay, all we're going to do is we're going to find, well, actually, let's get rid of, use the spoon I didn't lick. Oh, get rid of this, get rid of this chocolate mint here. Whee! Oh, there it goes. And we're just going to fine strain it, just in case there's any, extra pulp or seeds or anything that got through. One more time. Oh, look at that color. That's beautiful. Give it a little hand here. Something's clogging that up a bit. Still a little bit of pulp, I guess. It's thickening up a bit, that's for sure. You know, I should have made more, because I know this is gonna go wonderful in a upcoming cocktail for sure. If you want to make more, you know, just double it up. Do 1,000 grams of grapes, or 1,500, 2,000. Make enough grape syrup for the whole family. Ah, there it is. You know, I think we should try this. That's delightful. Not overly sweet. I like that. We're going to fortify it. Like, as is, you'll probably get about a week in the refrigerator. But if we add a little bit of brandy, why brandy? Well, they make brandy out of grapes. Sounds like a perfect pairing to me. I don't know, what do we want? About a ½ ounce there. You'll probably get, I don't know, you'll probably get 2 to 3 weeks now out of the refrigerator. Yeah. Oops. Okay. I'm gonna have some more. Sorry. Keep drinking it. I'm gonna be putting that over my vanilla ice cream, that's for sure. Oh yeah. Oh, the brandy changes everything. Okay, there you have it. Grape syrup. And real soon, we're gonna make a cocktail with it. So make some, really, make some. It's Grape-O-Licious. Thanks for watching. If you like what you just saw, hit that subscribe button down there. Doesn't cost you anything, and you'll be supporting us. How wonderful would that be? Thank you.